Guys, it's MJCuber here, and today I'll be doing a challenge by the Clanastronaut. And it's to solve 3x3 by looking in the mirror. He said it would make his day if I did his challenge, so we'll do it. So I gotta solve 3x3 while looking in a mirror. So obviously I'll mix this up. I hope this is a good camera angle. I can see myself through the mirror. In the camera. Here. Okay. I'll go get a timer and come back just to see how much time this takes. Okay, I got it right here. I'll just put it on the table. And I'll just inspect and start. Okay, so that's it. I'm done. That was pretty hard. 2 minutes, 21 seconds. Thank you, the Clanastronaut, for that challenge. That was a pretty cool challenge. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time. And definitely leave your challenges down in the comments below. Bye.